how to enable dark mode on RedNote app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the RedNote app on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the Me option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the Settings option right beside the Edit Profile option you see there. Further, tap on the General option and under the Display tab you will see the option for dark mode. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for dark mode, and with this, the RedNote app will be switched to dark mode. So, this is how you can get dark mode in the RedNote app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.